Everyone, welcome to Ganit Online. Today in this video we are going to learn about the equations, how to find the equations of a straight line when 2 points are given. So here he has given the vertices of a triangle as A, B, C, and he is asking us to find out the equation of a line which is passing through A and B. For that is the first part, and the second part is median through A. Median implies that the midpoint of B and C, and the equation of the line passing through A and midpoint of B and C is known as a median. And third one, the altitude through B. So how to find out the altitude through B? The perpendicular slope of AC and the point B, point slope form can be used to find out the altitude through B. And next, fourth is the perpendicular bisector of the side AB. So if the AB is given, we have to find out the midpoint and then we have to find out the perpendicular slope. So slope and point gives us the perpendicular bisector of the side AB. So let's go one by one. I'll start with the first one. Yeah, let's draw the triangle solution. So let's draw the triangle. This is A, 10, 4, B, -4, 9, C, -2, -1. So first one is equation of AB. So AB. So we know that we have, so if 2 points are given, x1, y1 and x2, y2. So then in that case the equation of straight line is what? Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is slope and this one. So this is the equation of a straight line when 2 points are given. So our 2 points are what? A is 10, 4 and B is -4, 9. Yeah, let's substitute in the above formula. Y minus y1, 4, is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Let's simplify this one. Y minus 4 is equals to 5 by -14 x minus 10. So we just skip it here. We just crisscross it. So -14 into y minus 4 is equals to 5 into x minus 10. This, so -14y, 14 4s 56. So minus into minus plus. This is 5x minus 50. So 5x, let's throw this y here, plus 14y, which is equals to 50 plus 56. What is 50 plus 56 is 106. 5x plus 14y is equals to 106. So this is the required equation. So this is it for the first part, and now the second part. I'll just change the color. Second part is median through A. Median through A. I'll draw the triangle once again. this is the triangle. So this is A 10, 4 and B is -4, 9, C is -2, -1. So this is the midpoint. Say this is the midpoint. So this is the midpoint. So here midpoint of, let's say it as D. Okay. Now D is the midpoint, right? So D is equals to, I am writing it directly. I'll just include the more steps here. So midpoint of B and C. This is D is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 -4 -2 by 2 y1 -1 y1 plus y2 by 2. So D is equals to -6 by 2 8 by 2. So which is equals to -3, 4. -3, 4 is the midpoint. So now we have to find out the median through A. Median through A implies equation of AD. Okay, A is 10, 4 and D is -3, 4. So this one. So this is similarly x1, y1, this is x2 and y2. Let's find out the equation. Equation is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y minus 4 is equals to, what is y2 minus y1? 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 by x2 minus x1 is what? -3 minus 10. -3 minus 10 into x minus 10. So y minus 4 is equals to 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So y minus 4 is equals to 0 is the equation. So which implies y is equals to 4, E is the required median through A. So this is the completion of second part. Now let's find out the third part. What is the third part? The altitude through B. The altitude through B. So we'll draw the diagram. This one. Here A is 10, 4, B is -4, 9, C is -2, -1 and Now altitude through B. So altitude means that perpendicular, perpendicular, perpendicular. So the line passing through B, and that should be perpendicular to the A and C. So let's say this as E. Yeah, let's do it. So he is indirectly asking to find equation of BE. So we have point is equals to B minus 4 comma 9. Slope of AC is, what is a 10 comma 4 minus 2 comma minus 1. See, slope is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is equals to minus 1 minus 4 by minus 2 minus 10, which implies minus 5 by minus 12. 5 by 12 is the slope. So perpendicular slope. Perpendicular slope is equals to minus 1 by m is equals to minus 12 by 5. So to understand this perpendicular slope in a more elaborated and conceptual way, you have to watch the concept videos which I have already uploaded in this series. You have to go to the previous video and understand it, and then come back here and you can understand more. So this is the perpendicular slope is minus 12 by 5. Now point is known and slope is known. Point is minus 4 comma 9. Slope is minus 12 comma 5. Now equation is what? Say this is x1, this is y1, this is m. So y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus 9 is equals to m into x minus of minus 4. Five into y minus 9 is equals to minus 12 into x plus 4. 5y minus 45 is equals to minus 12x minus 48. 12x plus 5y is equals to 45 minus 48. 12x plus 5y is equals to minus 3. So 12x plus 5y plus 3 is equals to 0 is the required equation and of a straight line. So this is the completion of the third part, and we are left out with the last part, which is perpendicular bisector of the side AB. Perpendicular bisector of side AB. Now let's draw the triangle once again. So for convenience I'm writing here C and A and B. Okay, so point A is 10,4, point B is -4,9, C is -2, -1. So the perpendicular bisector, see this is the midpoint, let's say this is the midpoint. Let's say this is F. So what is perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular bisector is it should pass through the midpoint of those 2 points and it should be perpendicular to the equation of line AB. So that is the perpendicular bisector concept. So this now we will be finding out the F. F is midpoint of A and B. Okay, so F is equals to, like I am writing the 2 points here, 10,4 and -4,9, which is equals to 10 minus 4 by 2, 4 plus 9 by 2. Which is equals to 6 by 2, 13 by 2. So which is equals to 3, 13 by 2. So this is the point and slope. Slope is equals to, how to find the slope of AB? A is 10,4. Slope of AB I am telling, okay. 10,4 and -4,9. Slope is what? So slope is y2 minus y1. y2 minus, right here, x1 y1, x2 y2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope, which is equals to 9 minus 4 by -4 minus 10, which is equals to 5 by -5 by 14. So this is the slope of AB, but we want the perpendicular slope. So perpendicular slope is perpendicular slope of AB is equals to, if it is m, then if it this will be -1 by m. So which is equals to 14 by 5. So point is 3, 13 by 2, 3, 13 by 2, and slope is this point, if you say, and slope m dash is 14 by 5. So point slope form. Point slope form is what? Y minus y1 is equals to m dash into x minus x1. This is x1, this is y1. So y minus 13 by 2 is equals to m dash x minus x1, 3. So now let's simplify it. 2y minus 13 by 2 is equals to 14 by 5 into, just a minute, I'll erase it. 14x minus 42 by 5. Crisscross it, 5 times of 2y minus 13, which is equals to 2 times of 14x minus 42. Ten y minus 13 565 is equals to 14 2's 28x minus 84. So 28x minus 10y is equals to 84 minus 65, that is 19. So 28x minus 10y minus 19 is equals to 0. This I have to not write. So this is the required equation. So this is the required perpendicular bisector. So this is a very big problem. So we have understood about the 4 parts in this one. So the main idea here, the main takeaway from this video is that how to find the equation of a line when 2 points are given, or when slope and point is given, or when midpoint, how to calculate the midpoint. So these all are the concepts which you will be more familiarized when you solve this problem. So yeah, that's all in this video. Thank you for your time. If you want more such videos, subscribe to our channel Ganit Online. Yeah, thank you.